Honourable Minister, in the reply, she said, India would like to strengthen the closer development partnership that was established in September 2014 during visit of President of India based on the Assam Asana consensus reached between President and Prime Minister Modi during this year. So both sides agree that stronger people-to-people relationship contribute to enhance the relationship. In this connection, I would like to know, on one side, India is very keen to have very good relationship with China, and also several times our Prime Minister and the President have very good relationship when they meet in all various meetings. But I would like to know, recently, when in one side you are now getting a lot of investments from China for the infrastructure in India. So we expect more funds also from China, and also we also expect to invest in China also. In such good relationship maintenance, is it a fact that recently, when for infrastructure construction activity, when the Chinese companies also want to participate, the security clearance was given to Japan, Korea, and Italy and other countries, but China was denied. In such, if denied, then what will be the real response to our relationship with China? I would like to know that.
पति जी, किसी एक कंपनी को डिनाई करना, इसके कारण संबंधों की बात आ रही है। मुझे तो समझ नहीं आ रही कि एक पर्टिकुलर कंपनी के बारे में कि जापान को दिया या कोरिया को दिया, एक प्रोसेस होता है, उस प्रोसेस में जो भी देश आए उसको मिला, लेकिन चाइना को डिनाई किया गया एक कंपनी के बारे में, उसके लिए सदन में सवाल उठाया जाए, मुझे तो बिल्कुल गलत लग रहा है।
So, sir, now the reply is not satisfactory. I would like to know, it's not the company, it's the policy matter, country-wise. Italy is given, Korea is given, Japan is given, China is not given. I would like to know that.
All right.
मैं सांसद साथी को आश्वस्त करना चाहती हूँ कि कोई पॉलिसी ऐसी नहीं है कि जिसमें चाइना को पॉलिसी के तहत डिनाई किया जाए, कोई नीति ऐसी नहीं।